10.2 Device Discovery with LLDP. 10.2.1 LLDP Overview. The Link Layer Discovery Protocol, which is the LLDP, does the same thing as CDP, but is not specific to Cisco devices. As a bonus, you can still use it if you have Cisco devices. One way or another, you will get your network map. LLDP is a vendor-neutral neighbor discovery protocol similar to CDP. LLDP works with network devices such as routers, switches, and wireless LAN access points. This protocol advertises its identity and capabilities to other devices and receives information from a physically connected Layer 2 device. Depending on the device, LLDP may be enabled by default. To enable LLDP globally on a Cisco network device, enter the LLDP run command in the global configuration mode. To disable it, enter no LLDP command in the global configuration mode. Similar to CDP, LLDP can be configured on specific interfaces. However, LLDP must be configured separately to transmit and receive LLDP packets. 1. To disable the sending of LLDP messages on an interface, enter LLDP transmit. Second, to disable the receiving of LLDP messages on the interface, enter no LLDP receive. To verify LLDP has been enabled on the device, you can enter show LLDP command in the privilege exec mode. Here is the sample command. For example, we are in the switch, and then use config T to enter into the global configuration mode. And then you enter LLDP run, followed by interface gigabit Ethernet, for example 01. And then you enter LLDP transmit, LLDP receive, and then we end the interface config mode. You can use the show LLDP to verify the status and the configuration we just entered. As you can see, LLDP is active, and it advertises are sent every 30 seconds by default, and then the hold time advertised is 120 seconds. The interface reinitialization delay is 2 seconds. 10.2.3 Discover devices by using LLDP. Consider the lack of documentation in the topology shown in figure. The network administrator only knows the S1 is connected to 2 devices. With LLDP enabled, device neighbors can be discovered by using the show LLDP neighbors command as displayed in the output. And in switch 1, we enter show LLDP neighbors, and as you can see, there are 2 devices connected to it. They are R1 and S2. These confirm our assumptions that 2 devices connect to switch 1. And then the ports of the devices connect to switch 1s, also their hold time, capacity, capability, and the port ID are also shown here. The network administrator discovers that S1 has a router and a switch as neighbors. For this output, the letter B for bridge also means switch. From the result of the show LLDP neighbors, a topology from S1 can be constructed, as shown in this figure. When more details about the neighbors are needed, the show LLDP neighbors detail command can provide information, like the neighbor iOS version, IP address, and the device capability. In this example, for switch 1, we enter show LLDP neighbors detail. You can see the Fuji is the Cisco iOS software. and the ISR software is the x86-64 Linux Universal K9M version 16.9.4. And then it has additional information about that software system. The system capabilities are B and R, enabled capabilities R, and auto negotiation not supported, physical media capabilities not advertised.